Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ineligible country on Facebook problem. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So to change your ineligible country to eligible one for Facebook monetization, you will need to update your location settings in your Facebook page settings. So I'm going to show you the general steps to do that. So first, just log into your Facebook account and simply navigate to your page right here. So I'm going to click into my page, and after I've done that, I'm going to click into the settings. So it should be represented by three dots. So it should be located on the upper right part of your screen right here and tap into the edit section. So after you've done that, just scroll down and then head into your address section, and then in here just update your address to one located in eligible country for Facebook monetization, and just simply save your changes. So keep in mind that changing your location may have other implications, so it's important to consider any other factors that may be affected by this change. Additionally, ensure that you comply with all Facebook monetization policies and guidelines. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.